Jim, today is Wednesday, December 18th. Welcome to the second analysis of today. My name is Professor Cage and I am the one जिसने last 2 months में इस bull market को बहुत accurately and closely navigate किया. We have made the best decisions every single day and we have just nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. आज का analysis भी बहुत interesting होगा और आपको probably इसमें भी कुछ चीज़ों की समझ आ जाएगी. Like how I do things. और अगर आपको मेरी बातों की समझ नहीं आती, इट इज बिकॉज यू आर नॉट इन माई मास्टर क्लास. नथिंग टू ऑफेंड यू, बट यू आर अ नूब और आपको एक बिगनर से प्रोफेशनल बनने की जरूरत है टू मेक मनी इन क्रिप्टो. क्योंकि क्रिप्टो में या फिर फाइनेंशियल मार्केट में एक्सपर्ट्स मेक द मोस्ट मनी. आई होप कि आपको इतनी सिंपल सी बात का पता होगा. सो यहाँ पे आई हैव लेड डाउन कंप्लीट पैथ जिसको फॉलो करके यू कैन बिकम एन एक्सपर्ट. रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स ऑन ऑल द टॉपिक्स एंड यू विल डेवलप योर ऑन सिस्टम्स विच आर गोइंग टू मेक यू मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स. एंड उस सब के बिटवीन आई एम गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड यू ऑल द सिग्नल्स एवरी सिंगल डे. मैं अपनी कम्युनिटी में पोस्ट करता हूँ कि जो भी मैं बाय कर रहा हूँ, सेल कर रहा हूँ, एनी ट्रेड्स आई एम टेकिंग and whatever I'm holding, you can see it every single day in my community. So, without any further wait, let's get straight into it. What do we have today? कल मैंने यहाँ पे कहा था कि Bitcoin is going to pull back into its range probably and then going to chop around somewhere in this area and whatever it is going to do. So वही हुआ and it is like मैं जो भी लाइन चार्ट पे ड्रॉ करता हूँ it it just happens. आप मेरे प्रीवियस एनालिसिस में जाकर देख सकते हो. इट इज नॉट दैट कि मेरे पास कोई फ्यूचर का नॉलेज है. मैं डाटा देखता हूँ. आई लुक एट थिंग्स और उस जो मुझे डाटा बताता है, जो एनालिसिस बताता है, मैं उसके अराउंड एक प्रोबेबिलिस्टिक रेंज फॉर्म करके अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशन फॉर्म करता हूँ. सो बिटकॉइन पुल बैक. Of course, now it is, and I have seen people shitting their pants. Oh my God. I went through the Twitter today and people were so fearful. This was genuine fear over what? This. Over what? Over this. This weakness. Like, how do you even feel fearful over this period? Why? Just zoom out. एंड आप किसको देख रहे हो जो जूम आउट करने पे आपको नजर भी नहीं आ रहा? डू यू हैव लाइक व्हाई वुड यू बी कंसर्न्ड अबाउट अ फ्यू डेज ऑफ मूव? अगर हम टोटल 2 को देखें, दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स, इट इज बिकॉज लोग ऑल्ट कॉइन्स होल्ड कर रहे हैं, राइट? बिकॉज बिटकॉइन तो नीचे नहीं गया एंड ऑल्ट कॉइन्स भी कोई ज्यादा नीचे नहीं गए. दे आर स्टिल way above from where they pulled back to, and people are so fearful. It is good. it is not even like, it is not complacency. It is absolutely fantastic to see that people are getting boring. You have no idea कि bull markets कितनी boring हो सकती है. If we are looking at Solana, so I know many people were holding Solana, and how long? 27 days, 26 days since Solana is going down, and now people are like, fuck Solana, sentiment around Solana is so bad. But look here. यहाँ पे भी, like, this is mid bull market. This is mid bull market. Mid bull market में Solana had what? 45%, 6% pullback, and ना सिर्फ 46% pullback, but it went sideways for another what? 55 days before it broke out. 55 days. And even here, it went sideways for how long? 2 months. 2 months. So are you prepared for something like that? मैं आपको ये नहीं कह रहा कि 2 months तक होगा, लेकिन हो सकता है. Are you prepared for something like that? You need to be prepared for any kind of situation. और ये सब कुछ मैंने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया था. I was expecting this to happen. Either of those paths. So you need to understand कि exciting market के लिए there needs to be the boring market. So people get bored out of their positions, weak hands get flushed out, strong hands get filled for the second leg. So यहाँ पे what do you think के क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे weak hands are selling and strong hands are buying. Now I'm not saying कि buy Solana here, no, क्योंकि वो मेरे methods के साथ align नहीं करता. यहाँ से अगर Solana 500 पे जाएगा, 600 पे जाएगा, I don't care, क्योंकि मेरे मेथड्स, मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी और मेरे सिस्टम्स हमेशा उसको आउट परफॉर्म करेंगे. सो अगर आपको नहीं पता तो मेरी डिसीजन मेकिंग मेरे एनालिसिस से डिफरेंट होती है. मेरी डिसीजन मेकिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन माय सिस्टम और मेरा एनालिसिस इज फॉर माय स्टूडेंट्स एंड फॉर यू गाइस जो यूट्यूब पे देख रहे हैं, टू जस्ट गिव इट टू यू फॉर फ्री. जो भी मैं मार्केट के बारे में जानता हूँ या फिर खुद देखता हूँ अपनी एक्सपेक्टेशन फॉर्म करने के लिए और आपको बताता हूँ. Anyways, we got out of Solana somewhere around here and bought Bitcoin because it was stronger in our system. And rotations, we do so many rotations all the time. And this is how we outperform anything. जब Solana एक upwards move में जाने लगेगा, उससे पहले मेरा system मुझे बता देगा. I'll take the trade then. उससे पहले I'm not interested in Solana because it is underperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, as you can see here. कल भी जो मूव था, मैंने कल उस मूव के बिटवीन एक्चुअली वीडियो रिकॉर्ड की थी एंड आई टोल्ड यू कि बिकॉज Sol BTC has been beaten down so much, so this is why it is showing a little bit of strength here, just to save the ratio, and do not expect it to go something like this. Expect it to chop around and then move up later. So again, मैंने कल ये लाइंस ड्रॉ की थी, कल मैंने आपको ये बताया था. एंड again, well, anyways, I'm gonna move into the data because that is what matters to see what do we have. सबसे पहले I want to look at how are the ETF inflows looking like. For BTC, they are well moderate, and Ethereum ke okay, Ethereum was strong. YD, and it is not very strong today. Yeah, Ethereum is just chopping around and it is going to chop around somewhere in this area. It can do whatever and then probably break. जैसा हम एक्सपेक्ट करें वैसे भी मैंने एक महीने पहले कह दिया था कि एक्सपेक्ट एवरीथिंग टू चॉप अराउंड. आई रिमेंबर एग्जैक्टली, मैंने एक महीने पहले सबको कहा था कि एक्सपेक्ट एवरीथिंग टू चॉप अराउंड अंटिल नेक्स्ट ईयर, क्योंकि liquidity is the main driver of the market, and liquidity, if I go to the Fiji dashboard, you can see we have reduction in liquidity, by the way, and a spike in TGA balance. If I zoom out, I'll be able to show you that it is still in its oscillating ranges like so. And by the way, one more time. Woo! I drew this and it is following that. और ये मैं every day cover करता हूँ. It is not like ये मैंने आज draw किया. Every day मैं cover करता हूँ. These are macroeconomical things. So, yeah, actually the whole move of this going down, ये reflect नहीं हुआ यहाँ पे trading view proxy में. So it is almost somewhere around here, जो कि यहाँ पे शो हो रहा है. एंड एज यू कैन सी ये लाइन मैंने ड्रॉ की हुई है बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस ईयर एंड 1st January, एंड उसके बाद वी आर गोइंग टू हैव TGA रन डाउन एंड मैसिव लिक्विडिटी इंजेक्शंस, जो कि हमारी प्राइसेस को सेकंड लेग में जाने के लिए कंपेल करेगी. एंड देन देयर इज वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू कवर टुडे व्हिच इज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. अगर आप में से कोई ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन रखता है उसके लिए इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. I covered the let me pull it up. Where is it? Where is it? I think I lost it. Nope, here. So Bitcoin ka correlation with ISM. So Bitcoin correlation with ISM is as you can see here. Whenever ISM moves up in its cyclical fashion, Bitcoin की bull market तब होती है. And मैं इसको काफी देर से cover कर रहा हूँ, by the way. This is nothing new, लेकिन for those who are listening today, it is going to be very interesting. Alrighty. Let's pull up ISM proxy. Where is it? Here we go. So this is the ISM proxy. 1 month पे इसको लेकर जाऊंगा मैं, and you can see I'm gonna pull up Bitcoin price series with this as well. Nope. Yep, here we go. As you can see, these are the bull markets. ISM cyclical fashion में, and you can see we are in already in a bull market जबकि ISM rise भी नहीं हुआ. Do you know what that means? Guys, this is a super cycle. I have been telling you this is a super cycle and it is going to be incredible. Now, I have done this cyclical. Let me fix this real quick. 2 months. Yeah, I'm gonna take it to 2 months. So मैंने इसको already set up किया. If you don't know, this is 4-year extrapolator indicator. So इसको मैंने ISM के ऊपर apply किया with all the settings जो कि मैं यहाँ पे explain नहीं करने लगा. Of course, so you can fuck up with this in your own time. This is the Fourier extrapolator indicator. So this is like it cyclical fashion को follow करके एक projection देता है into the future. So I have adjusted this for all the cycles and the subcycles, as you can see here. Even this is adjusted very smoothly for since 1948, and as you can see, it is projecting ISM to move up and till when 1st January 2027. और हमारी पहले जो projections थी उसके मुताबिक bull market was going to end somewhere by the late 2025, and now it is suggesting that it is going to end somewhere between mid to late 2026. So we might even be having a extended bull market period अगर हम सिर्फ ISM को consideration में ले. So this is what you can form your expectation, and यही आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक भी होगा कि when the bull market is gonna end. Now I'm not saying that it is going to be up only. No, of course it can move up, and mid 2025 it can have a little spike and then chop around somewhere like this and then move up, and then it is going to come down back again. And जो ये दरमियान वाला period होगा in mid 2025 वो 3, 4, 5 months के लिए it can be Bitcoin moving sideways. It can be Bitcoin chopping sideways. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे देखा था for 8 months. So yeah, that is gonna be it for that. Uske baad, I'm gonna move into the other data to see what do we have. Very low funding, of course. People are wiped out. I'm gonna look at funding on the check on chain chart as well. I'm gonna get rid of that, and oops, I'm going through everything just to find one indicator, and I can't find it. Okay, here we go. Funding is very low. And open interest is rising, जिसका मतलब है कि people are shorting. So we have covered that, and sentiment data. Now this is not like sentiment data. This is like overheated conditions, जो कि ये show कर रही हैं कि it was very high, as you can see, through whole this phase, and now it has cooled down. So retail interest in crypto has cooled down very much. Leverage rally, quadrant model, which is suggesting that people are overplaying their hands. So मैं आपको last 1 week से ये कह रहा हूँ कि the worst possible thing you can do here is use leverage. Don't be stupid enough to use leverage here. It is a highly player versus player market right now. क्योंकि retail investors, they have wiped out very much and they have gone. Retail interest बहुत low हो गया पहले से, and there are a lot of things जो कि हमें suggest करती है. There are a lot of models. It has fallen down, and new money, if this loads up, takes a lot of time to loads up. Okay, market power fallen down so much. Retail interest very low. Gonna look at a few more things if they load up. Yep, here. सो जंगल बी डैशबोर्ड क्रिप्टो ऐप रैंकिंग, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो क्रिप्टो ऐप रैंकिंग इज नाउ इन हंड्रेड्स. सो इसका मतलब अगेन रिटेल इंटरेस्ट इज वेरी लो. स्टेबल कॉइन रेशियो चैनल डिक्लाइनिंग. एंड मैंने आपको बताया था मैंने एक इंडिकेटर पे भी मैं एग्जैक्टली ये ड्रॉ किया था यहाँ पे, that it needs to go somehow like this and move up. So it will be good for us क्योंकि स्टेबल कॉइन कैप नीचे जाना is not good for our cycle. Bitcoin cycle extreme oscillator still flashing overheated zone. Short term holder MBRV. How is that looking? Decent. Okay. So let's go UTXO coming down. Yeah, good to see it. Good to see it कि ये यहाँ पे stay नहीं कर रहा. So it is giving me an idea that Bitcoin is not gonna go down very much. और actually मैं आपको exact ranges बता दूंगा जहाँ पे it can go. It can still chop around and then it can move up like so, and then it can move somewhere like this and chop around, then move up. And this is what I've been telling you guys from many days. अभी मैं exact price points भी आपको बता दूंगा जहां पे Bitcoin is gonna go with the intraday volatility. So anything else to suggest anything here? New money low. Okay. And is it moving up? Realized profit and loss ratio moving up again. It was a massive spike here, by the way. Didn't like that at all. Yep, retail volume, investors volume declining again. जो मैंने आपको बताया, there are a lot of things जो कि suggest कर रहे हैं. It's the same thing. So anything else? Here market volume very low. Again जो मैं आपको बातें बताता हूँ वो डेटा से प्रूवन होती है. मैं हवा में बातें नहीं आपको कहीं करता. These are like real time data. Now choppiness index chopping around. Still didn't move up. जब ये move up करेगा, that means we're gonna go back into the trending phase. We have covered the open interest, funding, and here we go. A new lead of warning note from 42 macro, and my students know, and all of those जो पहले मेरे analysis देखते हैं. I like to look at ranges, the VAMS ranges, और ये हमें ये बताती है कि इंटरडे वॉलेटिलिटी में बिटकॉइन इफ इट पुल्स बैक इट कैन किस रेंज में इट कैन पुल बैक, एंड इफ इट गोज अप किस रेंज में इट कैन गो अप. सो हियर इट इज शोइंग 99.630. if I see 99.630, where is it? 99.6. So here, and the top end of the range was that is ETH 114. Wow. So are we gonna see something like 114 very soon? Alrighty, here we go. So agar Bitcoin 114 पे गया, of course I'm gonna take a short. By the way, I don't short. So if you are interested, you can short here with the confidence, because, or you don't have to trust me, by the way. Nothing here is signal. If you need signals, agar signal chahiye to join my master class. Nothing here is signal. And agar Bitcoin 99.6 पे गया तो of course I'm gonna take a long. I'll be sitting watching this. If Bitcoin does something like this and then move up, then does something like this, so it will be a good long to take at 99.6. Then what else? Ethereum pe the ranges are 3721 and 4463. Let's see. 3721. Okay, this is the lower end of where ETH can go, and Or was the other one 44 something, right? 44.63. 44.63. Here we go. Alrighty, we're good. So these are the ranges for ETH. अगर intraday volatility में of course मैं यही suspect कर रहा हूँ it is gonna move down. So if it moves, ये ranges आपको बताने का मकसद ये नहीं कि इथेरियम यहाँ पे जाएगा. मैं आपको ये बता रहा हूँ कि if it was to fall back, it will probably stop there and then move up. So that is a place where you can take a long. And if it moves up from here, it will stop here and then it will pull back and then you can take a shot from there. और इसको मैंने वैम्स रेंजेस को अगेन एंड अगेन मैंने टेस्ट किए many टाइम्स. ये वही रेंजेस है जिसकी वजह से आई न्यू एग्जैक्टली दैट बिटकॉइन इस रेंज में, इस एरिया में, इस प्राइस पे फॉल बैक करेगा. सो मैंने यहाँ पे लॉन्ग पोजीशन लेकर डिड रन इट टू समवेयर अराउंड 97-98K and made good profits, by the way. So yeah, that is it. And if we look at liquidation heat maps, do we have anything interesting for Bitcoin? The very short term low. Okay. And what about 2 weeks? Yeah, you can see here. कहाँ पे जा रहा है? 90. What would be the higher cluster? You can see there are a few liquidations here, but not very much. It can probably move somewhere like this and then move up, जो कि align करेगा हमारी VAMS ranges के साथ. Yeah, so that's gonna be it, guys. Listen, now in the end, मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि क्या करना है आपको. आपको न्यू ईयर से पहले get your cycle bags in. Do you understand? Everything before New Year is discount. So spot only, whatever you want to buy Sui, you want to buy Solana. मैं आपको नहीं, यहाँ पे मैं आपको ये नहीं बता सकता कि what to buy, क्योंकि मेरे मेथड्स के साथ ये अलाइन नहीं करता. मेरे मेथड्स में जो अलाइन करता है दैट इज इन माई मास्टर क्लास, और यहाँ पे मैं आपको वो स्ट्रेटजीज डेवलप करना सिखाऊंगा. एंड यहाँ पे मेरी स्ट्रेटजीज के साथ मैं जो भी होल्ड करता हूँ एवरी सिंगल डे, मैं उसके सिग्नल्स भी आपको प्रोवाइड करता हूँ. सो ज्वाइन माई मास्टर क्लास फॉर सिग्नल्स, बट वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू बाय, आपकी खुद की चॉइस है. आई एम नॉट गोना टेल यू बाय इट बिफोर द न्यू ईयर, बिकॉज एनीथिंग आई एम जस्ट क्लिकिंग ऑन रैंडम शिट कॉइन्स. डू नॉट थिंक कि ये मेरे लिए मैटर करते हैं. All of this is crap and trash. I do not care about any of this. Whatever you want to buy it before the next year. These are the discounted areas. We have just started and 2025 is going to be incredible year. Do not sell if you are holding anything. Do not sell it here. Do not have any fear. Okay, maybe this is the end. No, this is the beginning. I'm telling you now. Do not buy any random shitcoin. Do not buy random altcoins. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप क्या बाय कर रहे हो और किस वजह से बाय कर रहे हो, एंड यू शुड हैव ट्रेडिंग प्लान्स फॉर इट. So anything you want to buy it before the new year. Next year is going to be incredible. 2025 is going to be incredible. And most of all, GM to Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin. Do you understand? This is a Bitcoin led rally जो आपको ये बता रहा है कि alt season is here. Alt season is here. I was the only one जो ये कह रहा था कि alt season is not here. आप मेरी कल वाली वीडियो देख सकते हैं, मैंने इसी के ऊपर बात की थी. Bitcoin dominance is showing strength and this is a Bitcoin led rally and it is going to stay that way for a while. And your alts dollar terms में ऊपर जा सकते हैं, लेकिन they are going to underperform Bitcoin. Have at least 50 to 60% of your portfolio in Bitcoin. If you want to leverage your Bitcoin, कोई centralized exchange पे जाकर watch my video of let me see. Where is it? Yep, here. Watch this video. Alrighty. Trade with leverage without liquidation. So here I have given you the tutorial of leverage tokens. Understand the leverage tokens, and if you want to take leverage on Bitcoin, do that. Okay, आप अगर बिटकॉइन का लेवरेज टोकन आपके मेजॉरिटी ऑल्ट्स से हमेशा ज्यादा परफॉर्म करेगा. सो रादर देन बाइंग ऑल्ट्स जो कि ऑलरेडी लेवरेज बिटकॉइन है, इफ यू डोंट नो व्हाट आई मीन by the alts being leveraged Bitcoin, join my masterclass. And if you do, good for you. Bitcoin is the king, and everything is set for Bitcoin to moon in 2025 and go into its super cycle. And if Bitcoin is going to go into its super cycle, it is going to crush all your alts in between. I hope that is clear. That is going to be it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow with another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. Peace.